Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add Ticketmaster tickets to Apple Wallet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Ticketmaster app and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now keep in mind that you need to have the updated version of the Ticketmaster apps in order to use the Ticketmaster tickets to get inside the concert. Without it, you won't be able to access or you won't be able to enter the concert of the ticket that you have purchased. So now in order to add tickets to your wallet, what you need to do is just simply search for the concert that you want to go in, and once you do that, select the concert, and once you select the concert here, what you need to do is just simply follow the process in order to add your tickets, purchase the tickets, and once you have purchased the tickets, you'll be seeing something like this. Now in order to add you to the Apple Wallet, here you'll find the option to add to Apple Wallet, and here you'll find option for the QR code, and here you'll find the option to view wallet ticket details. Now all you gotta do in order to add to your wallet, simply select the option to add it to your Apple Wallet and follow the instructions to successfully add Ticketmaster tickets to Apple Wallet. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.